Traditional schools have failed you. Let's go even higher. Society has failed you. It is taboo to talk about finances. People don't understand finances and are afraid to talk about them. It's not talked about in schools. A lot of people's parents don't teach them about them because those parents grew up not knowing about finances, not being taught finances. So then they naturally don't teach their kids or don't talk about finances. Unfortunately, if you want to lead a fulfilling life and be free and do what you want to do, you have to make money and you have to understand financing. That's just part of the game. Understanding how to make money and understanding how money works is an essential part of life because things cost money. If you want to go enjoy things or go on vacation and do things and really enjoy life, you have to learn how to play the financial game and use money as a tool for your benefit and not for your detriment. Before I talk about the 4 truths about managing your personal finance, I want you to like this video. I'm giving more quality information than you get at a lot of college courses that cost thousands upon thousands of dollars. All I'm asking for is a like, so go ahead and hit that. The first truth and thing you need to understand about your personal finance is budgeting properly. Now, you don't have to cut corners and live way below your means and not spend any of the money you make. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you can enjoy your life and spend money on things that make you happy, but you have to learn how to stick to a budget so you can put money aside every single month and grow your savings account so you can have a cushion and have some financial security in the bank. We're not talking about getting wealthy. We're just talking about budgeting properly so you can live a life that you enjoy and have some money aside so you have some financial security. A big key to this is understanding what is important to you. It's okay if you go to Starbucks and get coffee every day or a few times a week, if that's what makes you happy. You need to do the things that make you happy and work that into your budget. Now, I'm not saying go buy a bunch of stupid expensive clothes or expensive car if you can't afford it. Most wealthy people I know probably have less clothes in their closets than most people watching this. It's not about looking wealthy. It's about doing the things that you enjoy and budgeting for them. Just don't overdo it and overspend and try and look like you're making a lot of money. Nobody ever wins doing that. To be clear, it's about the big ticket items that you don't need. It's not about those small little things that cost a little money and give you joy. I know it's a super hot Instagram post to say, if you save all your money you spent on Starbucks in the past month and invested it, you'll be a millionaire in 100 years, but that's simply not the case. The difference between you being wealthy and creating financial freedom and creating financial stability and you buying a cup of coffee, there's no link there. It's about the way you're spending your money in big chunks, not in little chunks. The second truth is all about investing. In order to create financial security and financial freedom, you need to invest some money. You need to make investments that are going to create extra money and create that financial security so you can do what you want to do when you want to do it and not have to cut corners and live below your means for the rest of your life. There's a lot of different types of investments you can do, but the point of investing is to set yourself up for the future and set yourself up to be financially secure in the future. Taking those steps now and investing in smart investments now will pay off in the future. Your future self will thank you, I promise. The best way to create a secure investing portfolio or just to start investing is to create multiple streams of income. This allows you to diversify your money and diversify your money sources coming in every month. Now, you're probably not going to get 10 streams of income coming in next month, but if you look for ways to make money and invest your money or do side hustles or do certain things to bring in extra sources of income every single month and start to build on those and take it step by step, you will be successful. Every single wealthy person that I know has multiple streams of income. I think the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Your goal may not be to be a millionaire or a multimillionaire. However, hopefully your goal is to enjoy your life and create some type of financial security. The best way to do that is have different streams of income coming in every single month. Number 3 is understanding taxes. Taxes are so much more confusing than they should be. The whole point of taxes should be to fund the government. That should simply be the point of taxes. However, lobbyists get involved, politicians get involved, wealthy people get involved, and they make it so confusing so that if you don't have hundreds or tens of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars to spend on a CPA firm or somebody that understands taxes, you're not going to fully benefit from what's out there. There's so many different ways to write things off, to get depreciation on real estate, to spend less money in taxes, but nobody knows how to access those tools, those tricks, because it's so darn complicated. Most wealthy people pay the same amount or less in taxes than people that make way less than them because they have people that understand the system for them. Unfortunately, in this video, I cannot give you all the secrets and tax strategies that you'll need to pay less in taxes. A, there's not enough time, and B, I am not an expert by any means in taxes. But what I can tell you to do is don't be afraid to talk about this. Don't be afraid to look up videos on taxes. If you know anybody in the field or any of your parents' friends in the field, go up, talk to them, network them, lean into other people's education, because this tax thing is not going anywhere and it's only getting more complicated. So the best thing to do is to learn as much as you can and lean into other people. If you want to listen to our CPA talk about taxes, click on this video above. Brian interviews her and we talk for almost a half an hour about taxes and the rules and laws and regulations that surround them. It's an awesome resource to get you started. If you feel like you're getting some good advice and a lot of this is hitting home, please share this video with your friends so they can learn from this as well and we can all grow together. Number 4 is routine. So this step is all about managing. Now that you are understanding the process, you need to manage it as it goes along. You need to understand what's going on, what's out there, and as you're managing those expectations and those things that you're learning, it will eventually turn into a routine. It's going to be hard at first. Like we said, I wasn't taught it in school. You weren't taught it in school. So a lot of the heavy lifting is going to be done at first. But if you can understand what's going on and manage things as they progress, manage your multiple streams of income as they come in, manage your budget, and not give up as it gets hard, you will be financially and fiscally strong and smart, and it will be easy to you. It'll be second nature. You'll make money. You'll know what to do with it when it comes in, and you'll be able to enjoy your life. But it starts with managing the expectation and managing the process as it goes along. Eventually, it's going to be easy. Hard work now. You can do it. Hopefully you got a lot of valuable information out of this video that can help you become more financially secure. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. There's a lot more to this topic. I talk about creating wealth and managing your wealth and creating financial freedom on this channel all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure to subscribe. See you in the comment section.